Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, fellow traders. Welcome back to my channel. And I am looking at a lot of things in the market for the coming week. Let's get into the details. Before that, I just want to inform you that the stockmonger.in website is live. The community page is being updated regularly with my trades. We have had a good trading session on Friday where I've given the levels, I've given the entry points on which stocks and which strikes to take. You can log on and check the community. We also have a free to use, free to view track record, which will definitely give you confidence about the trades that I take, and you can go back and backtest them. You can go back and study them. I gave the entry date and the exit date. Some of them I did not, but yes, we have booked some good profits, some decent profits. April was a very tough month. We are looking to actually not bounce back, but see how we can improvise on the trades. A lot of learning through which we have got in April that we will apply in the month of May. Now, everybody's talking about a bearish run coming in and the market crashing. Let me just give you the levels, because last week, all the levels that I gave in my videos, all the openings, gap up, gap down, flat opening, everything that I gave was very clear cut, very simple. The indicators that I use tell me where the market is going to stop or resist or take support. So I simply use that. I have very small specific targets. I don't wait for miracles, as I've always said in all my videos. So let me share the levels for tomorrow. Let's get started. All right, everybody, we have the Bank Nifty chart in front of us. These are Friday's levels, which I'll just delete right now, and let's look at some important points over here now. Okay, the support took was taken at 36,600. I did post that if 36,600 sustains, we can see an up move. I had posted that in my group. But if you see the recent high, it rejected that. It stayed over there. Now I would definitely have taken this if at that time there was a price action, but that did not happen. So it got rejected over here and came straight down. It broke 36,600. There was no price action at all. It was just a straight nosedive. So when the market stalled over here, I took a small call short. Since it was happening so fast and there was less time and I had other trades to look at, I couldn't post it on the community page. I apologize for that. But the there was a small fall over here. I did not want to hold it too much because it was at this support level. So I thought, it might come down and just suddenly have a short covering. So I did not wait for that. Had I waited, yes, my profit would have gone like 4x, 5x. But it's okay, we still made money at the end of the day. So that's good enough for me. Now, very important points I want to share regarding the levels. Let's also delete this. Now, we have the last swing over here. So this is going to be for our first resistance at 36,430. The second resistance is going to be over here. I'll bring it down over here at the support. You see the support point? Yes, 36,600. Let's round it off. Now at the bottom, yes, everybody's talking about a bear market, a bear fall and all that. I have indicators that confirm that market is not going to like nosedive 1,000, 1,500 points. Don't worry about that. If you're holding positions, just please know where to manage your risk. So the first resistance, there's going to be a gap down opening for sure. I'll just tell you where exactly we can expect it, not confirmed. 35,750 is going to be the first support over here. The second support, let's look at the historical. Always look to the left. Here, this was the last rejection point in the recent times. So 35,516. Let's just round it off to 35,500. So these are your support points. Now I am expecting a gap down opening between this low level of 35,980 and 35,800. So I will mark this, and I will definitely share it in my video tomorrow. This is going to be the opening area for tomorrow. Now if this breaks, let's wait for the support to hold at 35,520. If that doesn't, then yes, we can see a price action and a further downfall. I'm going to make a video on my positional trades for the week and for the month. That's how differently I do it. So that will only be a member exclusive video on stockmonger.in. please log on and check out the track record that we have. If you have the confidence that yes, probably you can get something out of this, give it a trial for a month and see how it works out. If you are definitely learning something, then I would be the most happiest. Okay, now this is the analysis for Nifty Bank. These are the levels. I've given it to you. Nifty, as you see, I had drawn these levels on Friday. I didn't erase them yet. 17,370 was a rejection, and that is when it broke down and just started diving. It dove exactly to the support point I had drawn. Now, let's just delete these lines and draw some fresh support lines. Now, the first resistance is going to be at 35,190, because this was where it rejected and tried to move up, but then no, it was a confirmed downfall. The second resistance is going to happen at 17,288. The lower side, let's draw the support over here. Is definitely a gap down opening tomorrow, 17,020 to round it off, and the next support would be at I wouldn't take that low. One second, let's mark it at 16,920. 16,920. So these are your levels for tomorrow. Now, when you are trading options, futures or options, always use the 15-minute chart for a price action. This is my input. If you're comfortable with a different time frame, well and good. So these are your levels for tomorrow. The equities will be based on the market opening and the market movement tomorrow. I'll have to see which sector is looking strong, which vertical is looking strong. So that I will share in my community page, which options we're going to buy for the indices and what will be our exit strategy. So I'll see you tomorrow. Happy trading. Have a great week ahead.